Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. How to fix file system error 7898398862 in Windows 10 and 11. So I have 4 methods and all methods are same Windows 10 and 11. So I'll tell you 4 methods how to fix this problem. So guys, you click the run click on the start button and type run. Otherwise you type directly cmd and right click to run as administrator and yes. So I have some command, so I will give you in description this command. Copy and open. Then guys, click to right click on the administrator and edit, more, paste. So guys, you copy and paste, then click to enter. So this is percentage, around 10 to 15 minutes finish 100%. So guys, this step is successfully complete. So guys, this second command is sf space this now. So you can simple copy and then open. So you can again right click, paste, then simple enter. So when finish 100%, so around verification of percentage, so completed. So then guys, third step, like first step is chkdsk install. Second step is check our install update. Click to setting and setting, go to update and security and click to check update. So any update are pending, like this 3R update 3 pending, so you can install and then restart, then check your problems again showing this problem. So I tell you, so you install any recently application, so click to control panel and open control panel, then click to uninstall program. So you install latest, like today have a 13 May, so you install like 2 to 3 day and 4 day ago, so you can uninstall and then check. And fourth step, so you reset Windows. So finally this is 100% solve your problem. So all command I will give you in description, so you copy and then paste. Okay guys, so I hope I suggest you properly, so you can check, and any have a problem, so please give me in the comment. So bye bye.